Hi everyone, welcome to En Route Outdoors. This is my project. It is based on discovering and sharing Ontario's best hiking trails and weekend-worthy adventures, namely focusing on trails within driving distance, so 2 to 3 hours of the Niagara region and the Toronto region. Um, this project serves as a source of inspiration for, I'm hoping that it serves as a source of inspiration for people who are looking to disconnect from the craziness that is the pandemic and reconnect with nature. And then also for those who may be looking for a sense of travel, bearing in mind the recommendation to stay within Ontario to do that travel. And of course, to enjoy the weather and get outside and get active. So not too much in terms of my template has changed over the course duration. I really like this template because it's visual forward. And I found that the engagement that I was getting on my Instagram and my Twitter account was higher for visually appealing photos. So photos of picturesque landscapes, maybe a lake that I had come across, hills, etc., etc. I found that that content really resonated with the audience that I was growing and speaking to. So I definitely wanted to focus on that for my template. So I can't remember what this template is called, but it has served me well throughout the duration of this course. It really allows me to showcase each trail in its entirety, and it allows me to convey the meaning and theme of my project well. So I did start a Twitter account as well as an Instagram. I did actually recently start a TikTok account that I've been kind of meshing videos together on, and I have found a bit of an audience on there in terms of the Discover Ontario using that hashtag. But I found the most success on Instagram, and I think that echoes back to the whole travel photography and visually appealing and inspiring kind of trend that I've noticed. I have my About Me page, just a little synopsis of who I am, my dog Habs. I travel pretty much everywhere with Habs. I have tips and recommendations for hiking with a dog and kind of products that I recommend and have served me well over the course of the summer. I've embedded my Twitter following, my Instagram on there. And yeah, I do have a contact me page for business inquiries or just general messages, general questions on there. And then of course I have my blog. So this is an example of one of my posts about Presqu'île Provincial Park. So all of my park recommendations featured a really great stunning photo. It's my boyfriend Eric there. And then also kind of a high level overview of things that I am looking for as a reader in reviews. So really high key points that I would want covered and I'm looking for. Key takeaways. So for instance, trail distance, difficulty is key, because again, a part of my theme is to showcase how accessible Ontario trails are and that hiking is not necessarily meant for super fit people or super mobile people. So I speak to both of those topics within each post and I document the terrain, whether or not it would be good for, you know, walkers, runners, you know, depending on mobility level. I also have included video for each one as well. I won't get into that. But I really enjoyed making mixed media content because again, parks are so beautiful and to be able to showcase that in just photos only goes part way. I think the video also really showcases the park and adds to the inspirational effect as well. So yes, I've taken all photographs myself. So I do have my copyright page, my privacy policy, and my disclaimer. Overall, my goal was to grow my following by a certain percentage. I didn't hit that unfortunately, but I am still working towards that by continuing to post content. TikTok for me is new, like I said, but I think I have found a bit of an audience on there in terms of you know, being able to capture and showcase video of these beautiful parks. So I do plan on continuing to keep working on my content because I really did enjoy this this project. And yeah, I hope you guys follow along. I'm not sure if you're following me on Twitter, but I would love to connect. And yeah, I had a great time, great meeting everyone. Yeah, take care.